Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to wear multiple face accessories in Roblox. Okay, first things first, to begin, open your web browser and log into your Roblox account. Once you are logged in, head to the Roblox homepage. On the left side menu, click on Avatar. In the Avatar Editor section, locate and click on Accessories. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Face. In here, you'll find a variety of face accessories for both free and paid ones. So let's start by adding one. Click on a face accessory you like, such as these goggles, to see how it looks on your avatar. Here, you'll notice your avatar now proudly wears the selected face accessory. Now, if you want to add more face accessories, you can do so. Just scroll down to the paid accessories section and select another face accessory you fancy. And then, click on it to wear it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now wear multiple face accessories in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!